Guys, got the 400 out today after getting it fixed. Finally fixed the problem with the carb. I put a 144 main jet in it and the needle, and I didn't have the needle seated all the way. There's a pipe. I'll give you a little sound test and I'll rip it around, and then I'll give the camera to my brother and you can hear it from third person point of view. Alright guys, got a part for the 3-wheeler in the mail today. Pretty sure this is the petcock for it. Yeah. Here, I'll open it up real quick. Alright guys, little update. Dumb bastards didn't even give us the O-ring for this thing. And that's the whole reason that we bought this, because the O-ring was rotted, it leaked, and this thing doesn't have an O-ring. So we're going to have to send that back, I guess. Let's see what they say about that.